Hey, I haven't seen you for a while. Let's assemble the dump truck. That's all. Let's load materials to the dump truck. Done! Let's prepare an embankment for laying the rails. Let's wash the dump truck. Ready. Let's assemble the track laying machine. Ready. First, let's fuel the track laying machine. Pump. Amazing! Let's lay rails and sleepers. We need to wash the track laying machine. Hooray! We need to assemble the dray scene. You're doing really great. Let's load the dray scene. We did it! Let's install traffic lights and a railway sign. We need to wash the dray scene. Hooray! First, let's assemble the railroad excavator. That's all. And now we need to fuel the railroad excavator. Press the pump. We did it! Let's dig an excavation pit for the foundation. We need to wash the railroad excavator. Keep up the good work. First, let's assemble the concrete mixer. You're doing really great. Now let's load concrete materials into the concrete mix. Don't stop. Let's pour concrete for the foundation and make a platform. We need to wash the concrete mixer. You're doing really great. First, let's assemble the open wagon. Keep it up. Let's load bricks for the first floor. Done! Let's build the first floor of the station. Let's wash the open wagon. Amazing! First, let's assemble the crane with cargo bed. Keep it up. Let's fuel the crane with cargo bed. Press the pump. Keep up the good work. Let's put stairs and cover the second floor. Let's wash the crane with cargo bed. Done! We need to assemble the flat car. We did it! Let's load the flat car. We did it! Let's build the walls of the second floor. Now let's wash the flat car. Don't stop. Let's assemble the glass transporting car. Keep up the good work. Let's load windows and doors into the glass transporting car. We did it! Let's install windows and doors. We need to wash the glass transporting car. Done! We need to assemble the crane. Ready. First, let's fuel the crane. Pump. We did it! Let's make a canopy and a roof. Let's wash the crane. Don't stop. We need to assemble the bucket lift. You're doing really great. Let's fuel the bucket lift. Press the pump. Done! Let's decorate the station building. Let's wash the bucket lift. You're doing really great. We need to assemble the locomotive. Keep it up. Let's fuel the locomotive. Push the pump to transfer water. Hooray! Let's prepare the locomotive for a long journey. We need to wash the locomotive. Ready. Let's assemble the dining car. Don't stop. Let's load the dining car. Hooray! Let's load luggage into cars. Now let's wash the dining car. Keep up the good work. We need to assemble the train. Go on. Hooray! The train has arrived. Let's conduct passengers to their seats. The station and the railroad are ready. Now everyone can travel. Several railroad sections need a new